you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have goddess provisions for July. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so goddess provisions for July just arrived. Let's go ahead and dive in and see what is going to be in this month's box. They did show a sneak peek. I'm not sure if it was on their Instagram or if it was sent to me by email. It might have been sent to me by email, and I'm super excited. So I'm already starting off thinking very positive about this box. So let's go ahead and get in. Of course, where's the card? Where else would that should be other than the bottom? Let me go ahead and dump this out. Okay, so here is the card on the bottom of the box. And it says, do you water your plants daily? And how about your soul? I don't really have a whole lot of live plants other than my garden because it's too hot here in Florida. So my front yard, literally, and the planter beds, they're artificial. They look real from the street. I don't have to water them and they don't die. Heck yeah, I'm all about it. So now I don't know if this is now going to be the monthly mantra. It doesn't say specifically monthly mantra like it normally would before. But it says all may be transformed and renewed. And I definitely love that artistry. I love the moons and the butterflies. Of course, you guys know I love butterflies and the moons. So my two favorite things are in one image, and that's really cool. So on this side, it will go over all of the items in the box and it will give us the pricing. So let's go ahead and just start seeing what we have. The first thing, this reminds me, it says Oracle trading cards. I would say this reminds me of those baseball cards, Cabbage Patch cards, you know, when you were a kid and you buy the little packs. That's what this reminded me of, and that's what it is. It says Goddess Provisions Collector's Edition 2021 Build Your Own Deck Series 1. That is really neat because if they're going to put so many cards in per box, as you go, you will collect the whole deck is what it seems like. That's just what I'm going to assume right now, you guys. But it does say build your own deck, 6 cards, and it says series number 1. That is really neat. If that's the case, I'm super excited. I wonder how many cards would be in the whole entire deck if they give you 6 each. Like, how many boxes do you need to go before you get that complete set? That's going to be my question. It says Fairy Crystal Oracle Pack. Attune to your elemental guardians for the healing energy. Intuitively pull a card to see which stone and vibration will help you to find the magic within. And it says new, introducing our limited edition Goddess Provisions trading cards. Collect them all and share the magic with another goddess when it feels right. This is valued for $4.50. The back says find magic within, and it just has Goddess Provisions. So let's get this open and see. That is actually super neat. I don't want to like rip the card, so I'm just going to use my knife to cut down the side. Okay, ooh, so the 6 cards, okay, so the back would all look like that. So that would be the image for the back of the card, super pretty. The heart, the little like vine, and the moon, of course. So the first card is going to be Rose Quartz. It says self-love and compassion. Smoky Quartz for protection. Amethyst is for intuition. Watermelon Tourmaline. I'm not sure if I said that right. So if there's a crystal with watermelon in the name of it, I definitely want to check that out. I want to see what kind of crystal that is. This is for heart healing. And I love watermelon. And then this one is for abundance. I have no clue how to say half of these things, but there's the name right there. And then we have aquamarine, and it's for courage. That is so neat. Again, I think that's really cool that if you get the box, multiple boxes, you'll collect the cards as you go. And you get 6 of them right here. So volume number 1. That's neat. So now let's see what is going to be inside of this little tube. It says Cheeky Botanica Plant Alchemy. It's hard to read. It's a dark serum with dark font on the front. So let me find this guy. This says Cheeky Botanica Plant Alchemine Facial Oil. Conduct a beauty ritual with this alkanet root infused blend of antioxidant and nutrient-rich oils. The unique combo of essential oils merge with the essence of pink lotus and ruby to give this formula an extra touch of alchemy. Half the words are probably not going to say correctly, but what else is new? And it says use coupon code GODDESS to save 25% off at CHIKYBotanica.com. And this is valued for $58. So this face oil is a value of $58. Whew. All right. And you guys know I love skincare. So any face oils or anything like that, I'm all for. So it is a little dropper bottle. Suck it out. And there is the solution. And it wasn't in a box or anything or sealed. So I don't have any other information. And again, it's really hard to read. But, oh, here we go. It says, formulated with the luxurious plant oils to make skin look brighter instantly and over time. Gently massage onto freshly cleaned face and neck, morning and night. Dang, that's really hard to read. All right, so there's that. So now we have, it says Holy Santo, red rose petals. Red rose petals is the most popular herb for love spells and is sacred to the goddess. Rose petals and buds are commonly used in spells and charms to attract new love, enhance beauty and desire, or to mend disagreements between friends and lovers. Enhance the power of your spells with our full ritual herb kit. Okay, so this right here says that it is red rose petals. You can see them in the hole, in the moon hole. Use as desired for spell work, altar magic, culinary concoctions, ritual baths, or sacred charms. It says coupon goddess15 saves 15% off with free shipping at HOLYSANTO.com. Ships within USA only, and this is valued for $2. So we have some rose petals that you can do with however you would like, valued for $2. Now we have is, what in the world? Dirty Rose Chai Herbal Supplement Collagen Booster. Okay, I'm like, what are they giving us? Some hot chocolate? It's too damn hot for that. It is collagen. Most collagen that I've tried is all a white powder, not a brown powder. So that definitely threw me off. Yeah, so this just says that it is a chai collagen booster. Support your hair, nails, bones, and skin with this beautifying brew. It's the perfect synthesis of 100% plant-based collagen, adaptogen, herbs, and spices to support digestive ease. Coupon Planet Magic 15 saves 15% off at ANIMAMUNDI herbals.com, and this is a $24 value. Oh yeah, all my collagen, normally you get like bigger quantities, and that's what I take, but they give you this little guy here that is a 3 ounce if you want to try it out. Okay, so now we have is a black obsidian pyramid. Obsidian energy, psychic protection, bye-bye bad vibes, clearing and cleansing. Chakra root. Mantra, may the darkness be revealed so I can heal. That's nice. So what is this guy? It's a pyramid. Obviously, I see that. It says this stone formed from the rapid cooling of lava. Its healing energy helps illuminate darkness areas of the subconscious to reveal hidden truths. Valued for $22. Ooh. Okay, so maybe this will be the crystal for this month, because there's not the small little crystal that's normally like valued like at $3 or $4. You have this big guy in here, and this is the obsidian pyramid, and it's valued for $22. It does have some like stuff on the bottom, and it's just a pyramid. That is really neat. So if this is the crystal for the month, I appreciate that it's a way bigger one, and it's a $22 value. That's a really cute little box that it came into. So even if you got this and you wanted to gift this to somebody, it's kind of already gift ready if you so chose to, or you keep it for yourself. But I do like that. I really like that it's a pyramid, something different. Okay, so now we have is a little bag here. This says Alchemy Visions Pouch. This mystifying pouch changes colors when you touch it. What? It's decorated with symbols to remind you of your magical mastery. Yes, mastery. So since I've been holding it like, oh, okay. So all of this lighter color is from my touch. Yeah. So when you touch it, the warmth of your hand lightens the color of the bag. It has goddess provisions right there. And it's just a little pouch and it's all black lined on the inside. That's really neat that it changes colors. I just kind of wish that maybe it was a little bit bigger of a pouch, but that is really neat. It does have like a whole bunch of symbols on there. I like the eye and the moon, but if you look in close, there's all of those symbols. And that's on both sides. So yeah, that's valued for $22. I think that's a little overpriced for this size of a little tiny bag. $22, if it changes or not. I think that's a little overpriced there. But let's keep on going. Now we have is the last item. Yep, this is the last item other than the digital downloaded bonus that I'll tell you about. But this says, steep in the magic of herbal allies. When satisfied, offer the herbs back to the land to nurture new growth. Hand wash and air dry. Loose leaf tea strainer. This was the thing that I was saying that I saw a picture of. I was thinking it was going to be a bigger box, so I totally forgot all about it by the time I got to this one. But yeah, if it's a loose leaf tea strainer, it'd just be like on a mug, so it would be kind of small. So this is what it looks like. You have this little basket to put your loose leaf tea in, and then you just have like this little board so it can rest on top of your cup. So as long as you don't have a big ass wide mug, this would fit right on top of your cup, and then your loose leaf tea will be down submerged in the hot water. But that is really cute with the symbols. You have like stars and moons that are actually cut out of the wood, and then you have them actually like etched, burned into. There's other symbols on there as well. That is so cute. I really think that is really cute. I like the design and how it just sits on top, but yeah, you wouldn't be able to drink with it. So I have them with even crystals hanging on the end it's like a little ball and you just drop it inside so you can leave it in there while you're drinking. This one, I think it would be a little difficult to drink it with it on. So I guess you would just leave it there until you're ready to drink it and then remove it. That's what I would assume, because I think that would be a little difficult to drink with it up on there. But this here says loose leaf tea strainer. This cherry wood strainer is made with food grade stainless steel and embellished with mythical designs to delight your spirit. Pour a cup of tea and soak up the magic of herbal allies. Valued for $22. And this is made by Goddess Provisions. So at some point you would probably be able to purchase this directly from their shop. They do have a shop and they sell individual items on there if you would like to check that out. If there's certain items that I've unboxed that you're like, ooh, I would like that, you can check to see if they have that available. Or you can just subscribe to the whole entire monthly box if you would like. I will link them down below if you would like to do that. And that is everything that came in this July's box.
The digital downloaded bonus I completely forgot to talk about. It is a $10 value, and it says, with reverence to plants and generations of wisdom, discover 10 Ayurvedic herbs and learn how each one can support you.
So a quick recap, we have this new thing right here, series number 1 of 6 cards for a Oracle deck, right? Oracle deck? Yes. Oracle trading cards is what these are going to be. Loose leaf tea strainer, which I think is super cute. You have this pyramid crystal, which I think that is really nice. You have this little bag, but I think that's cute that it does change colors. You know, gives it a little curb appeal. You have a collagen booster to test out. And then you have some rose petals and a face oil. So that is everything that came in this July's box, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that was in here? Did you think this was a good box? I really like the loose leaf tea situation, but like I said, you just have to remove it to drink it, I would assume. The collagen, you know, it's just a little thing for you to test out. I already told you I think the bag needs to be a little bit bigger, but everything else I think was pretty nice and I'm excited. So all in all, I definitely think this was at least a good box for the value that you pay. So if you would like a little bit more information about Goddess Provisions, I will let you know right about now. You will receive 5 to 7 full-size products per box, a great value, typically between $80 to $100 of Goddess goodies, free shipping within the US, Canadian is $15 and international is $25 the last time I checked anyway. This box does ship worldwide and it's $33 per box if you do month to month, but you can get it as low as $27.75 if you go to 12 months. Everything in here is vegan and cruelty free. And you can pause and cancel at any given time. And the things that you would normally get inside of here is going to be crystals, aromatherapy, spiritual growth tools, superfood snacks, teas, that kind of thing. And yeah, so that is everything for this particular box, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you thought about this box. Would you consider this a full-size product? Because if you were to buy the collagen booster, I would assume it would come in a bigger variety than like a little, like, to me, this would be like a sample, not a full size, but that's just me. What do you think? Definitely comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.